How to view your watch history on TikTok. This will let you see all the videos you've recently watched on TikTok, which is useful if you want to get back to one that you scrolled away from or is gone. I know how frustrating that can be, so I'm really happy TikTok introduced this feature. Anyway, start out on your profile page. Then, go up to the top right corner and you'll see this little icon with 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and tap on that. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the Content and Display section, then tap on Activity Center. Underneath the Screen Time section, tap on Watch History. Here you'll see all the recent videos that you've watched on TikTok, either appeared on the For You page, any other feeds, stuff like that. This will show all the videos that appeared even if you didn't actually watch through them, so you may need to scroll to find the one you want. But when you go, you can just tap on it and it'll load. That's all there is to it. Before you go, check this out.